Come on, Daryl, good on you for standing up for me. Right. G'day Gladiators, how you doing? This is Kenny, and today on My Cladders TV we're going to teach you something new. We're going to teach you how to put a dry pan on and how to do the joints properly with spacings of 40mm rivets. That's what we're going to do. Now let's get to the boys. Filming. Hang on.
You filming.
Oh nice, you're going to put it as a shorts or what?
No.
Oh, come on. At My Cladders. Got Josh over here. Wonderful. He's the star. What are you tackling today, Josh?
Just putting this barge on that has concealed fixings.
We're gonna get out of here. Let's go. So first things first, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what we're gonna be doing is lapping a dry pan over the top of another dry pan. Now a dry pan is a flashing. That's what it looks like right there. It's a flat piece of flashing with a turn down on that side and a turn down on the other side. That's what a dry pan is. Now, why are dry pans used? Now let me take you to the bottom of the sheet. Here we go down the bottom of this sheet here. We're having to go around that piece of structure. And over here, we're going around a pipe, that's gonna get a deck tied on it. And there, and there. And as you see Dang operating over there, that's what he's doing as well. So above each one of those, to ensure that we get proper water tightness, we run dry pans up to the top. So that's a dry pan, that's why we're putting dry pans on. Now how do we join dry pans properly? Now here is one that I've prepared earlier. Actually, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, nanas and granddads, ommas and oppas, that there was not prepared by me, that was one of the boys. That was actually Dazza, and on his first day of ever doing dry pan flashing joins. Now here's one that Dang has finished. Ed has, oh sorry Ed, right. Here's one that Ed has finished here. Looks amazing, it's just magic. Now you see here we've got 40mm spacings. Now that means that we've done it properly. And you can see that there's the silicone that's under here that Ed's wiped off. That means it's done properly. Now let's go back to over here where Ed's gonna show us. Ed, can you show us how it's done properly, mate?
Yeah, sure, I know.
All right, down here. He's quite lucky because he's already had Daryl go through and pre-mark this one with measurements every 40. So first things first, what's the first thing you're going to do?
Oh, first thing first, you're going to overlap it. 150 on the other one.
150mm, yep.
Yep, and then you go sit on that. Right on the line.
Yep.
And then you go up 20.
Up 20mm?
Yep, up 20. And then you come out 10. That's going to be your first rivet, and then from there, you mark every 40.
Yep.
And then from there, you pre-draw it. Get the first one, pop your rivet in.
Yep.
To make sure it doesn't move, so once you do the rest, that's the one.
Beautiful. Rightio, now that that's been drilled out.
Yep, so you take out your rivet.
And Daryl's there, he's going to blow off that. Very good. And underneath as well.
Yes. Yep. And now you make sure all your stuff comes off.
Yep.
And then that's what you're going to get a silicone.
Rightio, so now we've got the silicone, we've got 2 rows. The reason we've got 1 row here, that'll ooze down and press down over these rivets. And this one here is our extra protection level at the back, just in case.
Yep.
So you'll see that as that squishes down, that silicone fills those gaps. And then we put the rivets in. So we start with the first one.
Okay.
Look at that, Daryl. Well, there we go. That there is a nice joint. So we just go over that. We use some rags and we wipe off the excess silicone. You can see here, and this is a beautiful thing, right? That little bit of silicone out there, that is a wondrous thing to see because it means that that's full of silicone under that joint and we've achieved code. That is doing a dry pan properly. Thank you for watching us here today on the My Cladders television channel of Kenny Talks Cladding, on site with Kenny, and all the other things that you might consider this channel to be called. That's us. You've learned something. You learned about dry pans, the reason for it. Now just subscribe and like the channel for blimmin' heck. And you know, if you want us to subscribe and like your channel, just shoot us a message. We'll just tick boxes, hit things, and smash that subscribe button like back in 1973 when we used to get down. All right, thanks for following, and we'll see you on the next one when we teach you something different. Hey, let us know what you want us to teach you, because we're happy to. I don't know, can you see me? I'm in the sun. All right, see you later.